The online appointment booking feature came about in the same way most of our development does. It was a request from our customers. At Blueprint, we pride ourselves on focusing our development efforts on our customer requests. It's been a recipe for success for us for many years. We talked with our customers and our development team to decide what we wanted out of a feature like this. In this digital age, when your online presence is so important, we wanted our customers to be able to provide their patients with the ability to access their schedule 24/7. It wasn't just the added convenience of allowing their patients to schedule or reschedule their appointments online, but it was the feeding of that appointment to the Blueprint schedule, ultimately allowing our customers to gain more business, save money, and save time. As we put together the list of requirements, it became very complex very quickly. We needed this to work for 1 or 500 clinic locations. We needed providers to be able to decide what locations they were available at what times, for what appointment types, and then if those appointment types should be available for new or existing patients to book online. We looked at integrating with third-party software, but decided ultimately to give our customers the flexibility and control over a feature like this, we'd build it from the ground up. We're very excited to release online patient appointment booking to our customers. We've invested a lot of time and energy into building this, and we could not be more proud of it. Combine this feature with the automated appointment reminders, and you'll see a drastic reduction in your patient no-show rate and a dramatic increase in your overall patient satisfaction. Blueprint's online patient appointment booking will enhance your overall clinic image and give you the competitive edge.